It had been years since Lily discovered the secrets of the Enchanted Woods. Now a young teenager, she was more experienced and knowledgeable about the forest's secrets. Her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Thompson, had grown to trust her instincts and capabilities, and they supported her adventures wholeheartedly. Lily had explored nearly every corner of the woods, mapping out its intricate pathways, hidden glades, and mysterious underground rooms. Yet, one mystery still lingered in her heart: the disappearance of her grandmother, Elara. One afternoon, Lily decided to revisit the ancient oak tree where she had found the hidden room. Armed with her usual essentials and Elara's journal, she made her way into the woods. The familiar path welcomed her, and the forest seemed to hum with anticipation. As she approached the oak tree, she noticed something she hadn't seen before: a faint, glowing trail leading away from the tree. Intrigued, she decided to follow it. The trail went deeper into the forest, through areas she had never explored. The trees grew denser, and the air seemed charged with a mystical energy. After what felt like hours, Lily arrived at a large clearing she had never seen before. In the center stood a magnificent stone archway, covered in ancient runes and vines. Taking a deep breath, Lily stepped through. On the other side, she found herself in a breathtaking, magical realm. The sky was a brilliant shade of twilight, with stars twinkling brightly even though it was daytime. Strange, beautiful plants and flowers glowed softly, and fantastical creatures roamed freely. It was as if she had stepped into one of the stories from her grandmother's journal. Lily ventured deeper into this realm, following a path that seemed to call to her. Eventually, she reached a small, charming cottage nestled among the trees. Smoke rose gently from the chimney, and the windows glowed with a warm, inviting light. Heart pounding, Lily approached the cottage and knocked on the door. It creaked open, and an elderly woman with twinkling eyes and a kind smile appeared. Lily gasped. It was her grandmother, Elara.
Grandma Elara, is it you? I am your granddaughter, Lily. I've been searching for you for so long. We all thought you were lost forever.
Lily said, her face beaming with joy and her eyes twinkling. Elara exclaimed in happiness, embracing her granddaughter. Then she chuckled softly.
It is so good to see you, my dear. I was never truly lost. I found this magical realm years ago, and I have been here ever since.
Lily spent the rest of the day with her grandmother, sharing stories and adventures. Elara explained how she had discovered the stone archway and decided to stay to learn its secrets. After some time, she revealed why she could not return.
I decided to stay, studying its wonders. However, when I tried to return, I could never find my way beyond the stone archway. But I always hoped someone from our family would find me one day. Now that you are here, Lily, I feel it's time to return. I have missed our family dearly.
Together, Lily and Elara packed a few essential items and made their way back to the stone archway. Hand in hand, they stepped through and found themselves back in the familiar Enchanted Woods. The sun was beginning to set, casting a golden glow over the forest. As they emerged from the woods and walked towards Lily's home, they saw Mr. and Mrs. Thompson waiting anxiously by the door. When they saw Elara, their faces lit up with joy and disbelief. Mr. and Mrs. Thompson rushed forward to embrace her.
Mom, I can't believe it. You are back.
Yes, I am back, thanks to our brave Lily.
Elara replied, tears of happiness in her eyes. The family spent the evening sharing stories and catching up. Elara recounted her adventures in the magical realm, and Lily shared her discoveries in the Enchanted Woods. They laughed, cried, and marveled at the magic that had brought them together again. Elara decided to stay with the family, and she and Lily became inseparable. They explored the enchanted woods together, uncovering new secrets and creating new stories. The magical realm had given Elara a wealth of knowledge, which she passed on to Lily, further fueling her adventurous spirit. As the years went by, Lily and Elara became renowned explorers, known for their incredible discoveries and heartwarming story of reunion. They inspired many with their tales, reminding everyone that love, courage, and a spirit of adventure could overcome any obstacle. And so, the legacy of the Thompson family continued, with Lily and Elara leading the way, their hearts forever intertwined with the magic of the enchanted woods and the magical realm beyond the stone archway. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, give us a like and share. Subscribe to this channel for more such inspirational stories.